What are habits? They are the small decisions that we make and actions that we carry out every day. In fact, did you know that habits account for about 40% of our behaviors on any given day? How do we go about forming habits, especially good habits? First, pick a small, easy change that you want to make. Instead of choosing to exercise for 45 minutes, how about doing it for 10 minutes? It may be much easier to say yes to 10 minutes than it is to 45 minutes. So start small and gradually increase it. Along the way, your willpower and motivation will increase too, which will eventually make it easier to stick to your habit for good. Everyone makes mistakes and gets off track. The key is to get back on track as quickly as possible. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, just be consistent. So how do you go about breaking a bad habit? First, become aware of and recognize the bad habit. Second, identify the trigger. What's making you follow this bad habit? When is it happening? Did you know that the best time to break a habit is during a vacation? This is because you're away from the environment that is often associated with triggers. When your brain is often not exposed to its typical triggers, you tend to not follow that habit. And most importantly, rather than trying to eliminate the habit, which almost never works, the trick is to give your brain a new routine that gives you the same benefit. Over time, try and strengthen the new routine or habit while weakening the original one. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect. If you get off track, be kind to yourself, surround yourself with people that support you, stay positive, and you will bounce back. If you need help, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and my team at healthymeweightloss.com.